Renovating a home is a unique and complex design challenge.
Renovations, you're working with old work, so you just got to adjust things and work out the problems that come along.
The owners of this house started with the existing structure and then completely changed both the interior and exterior. The aim was to create a modern home which would be functional and easy to live in. Debbie and Mark were looking for an existing home that Mark could renovate. They looked at an old house that had been on the market for a long time that no one seemed interested in buying. What it did have was a fantastic location. The first major design consideration is to address the problem of poor access to the house and the lack of parking.
The existing driveway up to the garage is very steep, and Debbie, my wife, is too scared to drive up the drive. There is very restricted parking around the area here. It's all 1 hour parking across the road. There's no parking in the street on weekends.
To solve that problem, the front has to be excavated and a new double garage recessed in from the road, with off-street parking for up to 4 vehicles.
This will allow us access inside the house undercover.
The old brick exterior will have a sleek new surface after it's bagged with cement and then painted. Old porous roof tiles are being replaced with a metal roof. The terraced backyard is also being excavated, creating a wider, more practical courtyard and barbecue area. The original house had no front balcony. One is being constructed to take advantage of the view. The concreters move in, and this very experienced crew lays the new garage floor. Concrete is a mixture of cement, water, sand and aggregate or blue metal. Using a laser level ensures accuracy and makes the process more efficient. On this house, a smooth rendered surface was required. A thicker cement mix was used and applied with a trowel and a float. A binding agent is added to the mix, keeping it moist, which helps with surface adhesion. The mix needs to be a runny paste consistency. Too dry and it won't flow. Too wet and it will dribble down the wall. When the boards are joined lengthways, the ends are cut on an angle. Staples are hammered through the profile, creating a finish with the nails concealed. The area has been transformed into a clean, modern and functional space.
It works well. Got really no complaints about the design. Only if it was a brand new house would I change a few things, but converting an existing house, you've just got to accept some of the existing design.
The design concept for their renovation has achieved everything Debbie and Mark wanted.